I have a brand new collection from Rongrong to share with you today. This one is a junk journal collection. There are 7 packs here and they are super cute. Welcome back. I'm Tina from It's a Wonderful Plan. All right, we're going to go through each one of these and I will be sharing some details about the stickers because these are different than what we have seen before. All right, there is a theme for each of these packs. There are 12 sticker sheets in each pack. This one is called Sweetly Sugared Ephemera Stickers. Now, I am on Rongrong's team and I am also an affiliate, so she did send these to me to share with you. If you choose to shop, I greatly appreciate if you consider using my affiliate link. You will find that down below in the description along with a code. It's a Wonderful Plan, and that will save you 10%. All right, let's go ahead and look at all of these. And then I'm going to talk a little bit about the material. But let's just get into it because these are super cute. Now, I want to figure out the best way to share this with you. So they are on a plastic backing, but if you notice, the stickers themselves do not have any glare. So they are like a PET material. Let's look at one here. And they are a matte finish. They're like a super matte finish. So you can actually write on them if you choose. Now, obviously, you're not going to write on the images or, any of these deco stickers, but there are some in here that are like little boxes, that you could write in there. So there's space for that. But look at how cute. The girls, we have it's kind of like the same type of design for each of these. And there is girls, and then we have a lot of these stickers right here. So these are what I'm talking about. You can write right on here. These are like paper stickers. Now, I would give it just a few minutes to dry if you're using a gel pen, but they will definitely take pen because I did test one out. Once I get to it, I will share that with you. But look at how cute this one is. I love it. Okay, so this one, as I said, it's called Sweetly Sugared. So we're seeing all of the cute, sugary, fun elements in here. Look at that cassette player. And we've got some vintage things. I love it. Some throwbacks with the dial phone. And the camera here, the record, of course. Love it. Look at that wine glass. So a lot of these are images and then others are drawings. The Rongrong girls are always hand illustrated, but things are mixed with different elements and pictures and things like that. These are really cute. Look at these. Oh, okay. Be careful when you take these off because I actually just ripped this one. I had not tried it. I was just kind of showing you. So yeah, just be careful when you're taking them off because like any sticker, if it's intricately cut, it can definitely tear, especially if it's got different cuts to it. Very, very cute. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of these to share with you and I want to do a plan with me, but I'm probably going to do that in another video. I'm going to pick one of these packs. I kind of already know which one I want to use first, and we're going to have some fun with that. So make sure that you are subscribed to me and you hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss when I post my videos. All right, so this one is Sweetly Sugared, super, super cute. This one here is Maison Blue, and it's Vintage Blue Ephemera. Okay. So, so pretty. Here. I feel like I want to have a piece of white paper. Is that better? I think that might be a little bit better. I just want to make sure that you could see them all. Let's try that. Okay. I love this blue. It's so pretty, right? If you love blue the way that I do, I bet you would really like this. Okay, so this looks like it's just white, but it's actually a sticker that's part of the colors in here. Look at that with the playing cards and the teacups. How cute is that? The horse, all these cute little elements, the bows. There's so many little things on here. I don't know if this is any better. Yeah, I think it might be. Trying to see it here as I share it with you. Very, very cute. Look at the rocking horse. The little cat there sleeping. So cute. We've got this bow hanging the picture frame there. Super cute. The swan. There's a lot of really, really cute little elements on each of these pages. This is perfect, really, if you have like smaller journals or smaller planners that you are using and you want to have like just smaller stickers to go with them. Really pretty. I'm loving it. Love all of these cute little elements. Let me know down below if you like all of these little elements, the boxes. Like I said, this is a completely different collection. We've never seen this before. She is introducing this to us, and it's 12 pages for each of these little packs. So you could pick which one you like the most or pick all of them. And I'm sure she'll probably have like a bundle available for this. Okay, the next one we have here is called Crystal Haze. So this is the purple, mostly purple in here. Look at the girls. Love them. They're so cute. Very, very pretty. And this one is just very, very blingy. You know, it's just, these packs have like a little something different for everybody, a nice variety. You know, if this is your vibe, then you are going to love this. So we've got all like the blingies, the crystals. Look at, we've got the disco ball in colorful and in like a silver. That's really cute. We've got the bows, the hearts, the cherry, and just a lot of like fun little elements in here. I like it. Whereas like that blue one that we just looked at, that one, it was a little bit softer. And this one's got like a unicorn in here. Very, very cute. So each of this packs have like this long strip page, which is nice. Last time I pulled it up too quickly, but that's cute. And then we have, so these are like that. And then they're super, super matte where you could write on them. I love when she introduces like new types of products to us. Something we've never seen before. She's always looking for like new things. Something different, you know. Really, really fun. The clouds in there. I really like this girl. She's so cute. All right, so this one is Crystal Haze. All right, the next one we have here is Pink Romantic. And these all come in like a plastic sleeve when you get them. And what's nice about the plastic sleeve, I found it so satisfying. Let me just show it to you because I have to share all the cute things. It comes with this like little punch here. So you can hang these on a peg if you have like a pegboard. You know, I know a lot of people have those pegboards. I have a pegboard in my office/craft room. And I found that so satisfying that I was able to just hang them right there on my peg, and super cute and convenient. Okay, so these are the girls for the Pink Romantic, and you could see how pretty they are. Soft and very romantic. Super cute, like a coquette type of vibe here. Love, love, love this. This I really like. This is like my aesthetic. You know, everybody has their favorites, and I really like this. Loving all of the girly things, the little lace and bows and the little florals in here. Super, super cute. The letters tied with a ribbon. Very, very pretty. Love that. Super, super cute. Look at that one. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. All right. Here we got the long strip ones here, and we've got like the little bows and the florals. These are cute. Very cute. So we could do like maybe some Dutch doors, right? Some waterfall tabs. Got some options here. That is super pretty. Love it. There's a lot. We've got elements in boxes, which are really nice. That's really pretty. All right, so that one is Pink Romantic. And now we have Maison Rouge. Very cute. Love it for everybody that loves red, but it's like a darker, deeper red. I like this color red. This is so pretty. To me, this is just really, really like a little bit like glamorous in here. We've got the girls, like a lot of French here with their berets, the little cherries in here. Super, super cute. Now, these are releasing on Thursday, June 25th at 11 a.m. Central Time. So if you are wanting to pick these up, I would set a timer so that way you don't forget. Write it in your planners or journal to remind yourself. And this video, I'm going to try to get it out before the actual release time. I always try to do that. But I just have been, honestly, life has been a little hectic. So getting this filmed before the release date was a little bit tricky. So this one may not be going out before 11 a.m. But I'm going to do my best to make that happen. So if you're viewing this before 11 a.m., make sure you set yourself a little timer there. So cute. I love these frames. There's so many cute elements in here. There's so many different fun things that you could do with these. So these are selling for $24.99, I believe, each pack. And I know she's going to probably have like a bundle available. She usually does. So I do have a discount code that I will drop down below in the description along with my affiliate link. So I greatly appreciate if you consider using my affiliate link. And, you know, of course, use the code, save yourself a little bit of money. It'll save you 10%, which is really nice. This one, Maison Rouge. Love it. Super, super cute. Okay, the next one we have here is Paper and Pastels. So we have two more to look through. Let's keep going. Oh my goodness. So pretty. This is really pretty for like summer, springtime. We're in summer already. What on earth happened to this year? I can't believe we're already like in summer. I'm still like waiting for spring, I feel like. That's really pretty. I love all like the little gingham prints in here. It's really fun. Oh, look at this one with the little duckies out of the teacup. Oh, that's super cute. Super fun. Let's see here. I like that these are like a little bit smaller. You can fit them in the back of your A5 journal if you just trim the backing ever so slightly, because I was looking at that because I really like these sets. You know, they're not as bulky as having a sticker book. All right. And here's the strip sticker here that we have. Strip sticker page of bows. Super pretty. These pastels are really nice. I generally gravitate more towards like darker colors, but I do really like the pastels also. This gives it like a nice light feeling in your journal and your planner. Very, very cute. And the little clusters on here. So you can use these in your journals to add like little flourishes to any of your memory keeping. That's a really, really cute way to use these stickers. Love that. The last one we have here is Wild Glam. Now, I will be sure to list all of the names down below in the description, and I'm going to make sure that I list them in the order that I'm sharing with you here. And I'll put some timestamps down there for you too, so that way if you want to go back and look at a particular pack, you can find it a lot easier. Just follow the timestamps. Look at how pretty these girls are. I love that. Super fun. Super fun and chic with the animal print. I love animal print. I feel like animal print is a neutral. It's just kind of how I feel about it. What are your thoughts? Are you a big animal print person, or, you know, either? I feel like animal print is always around, and sometimes it's just so prevalent, and other times it kind of like, you know, simmers down, not as popular, but I always feel like it comes back around. It's definitely one of those things, and I just love it. It's really fun. This is my favorite type of animal print, like the cheetah. Very pretty. Oh, and here's my little test for the pen, because that that little wording, that is not a quote that came on the sticker. I did that myself, and I'm going to share with you on the same sticker. So I used one of the gel pens that we received in her monthly subscription. So that way, you know, there are a few different pens in the subscriptions, but this one I think was from the January one. So I'm going to draw that line there. Now, I suggest you let it dry a little bit, okay? And I actually went over that a little. So let's draw one line, because are we really going to be going over things like that? Probably not. So let me see here. Okay, so I talked for just a moment, but you could see it did not smear. See? It won't smear. When I first did the first test here, I didn't let it dry enough, and it had just ever so slightly smeared, but I realized I just needed to give it a moment, and then it's perfectly fine. So that way you could see for yourself that you can write on these. And here's the strip for this one. Super cute. And we've got some bigger boxes here. So there's some variations in here. And I like that they're all like different from each other. You know, we like to have variety. So let me know in the comments below if this is something that you like, having like smaller packs like this, and rather than like maybe the larger sticker books. Let me know. We love reading all the feedback. As I mentioned, I am on her design team, and hearing everything from you really helps us out and helps us to design items that you are going to want to see in different themes and such. So this was super, super cute. And we have, just to review here, we have Wild Glam. We're working backwards now. Paper and Pastels. The Maison Rouge. The Pink Romantic, Crystal Haze, which is the purple, Maison Blue, which is this really pretty, it's like a French blue, I love it, and Sweetly Sugared, which is a brighter pink. So super, super cute. Each pack is sold individually, and I know she, like I said, she will offer like some kind of bundle deal. I'm sure she always does, and they come in those little plastic baggies, which are really cute. You can hang them up on a hook on your pegboard, which makes it super convenient. I love that. And I believe these are going to be $24.99, available Thursday the 25th at 11 a.m. Central Time. Again, if you are shopping, appreciate if you consider using my affiliate link. You will find that down below in the description. And let me know, take a guess out of these 7, which one do you think I am going to play with first? Let's see if you're right. I will be doing a plan with me in my journal with these really, really soon, so be on the lookout for that. And thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you have fun here with me today. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Hit that notification bell. That way you will not miss the video that I go ahead and share which one of these I play with next. All right, thank you so much for joining me today, and stay here with me till the end. Drop me an emoji down below along with which of these packs you like the best. So pick an emoji that might represent each of these, right? So like if you like the blue one, drop me a blue heart maybe. The purple, find me something purple to drop. The pink, maybe a pink bow. The red, I think the cherries would be cute. This one is pastel, so maybe like a yellow. Drop me a cheetah for this one. And I didn't say anything about this one. Ooh, drop me like a cake. This would be cute because it's sweetly sugared. Drop that down below in the comments. All right, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.